Hey guys, Jacob Rothenberg here. Welcome to Social Media Domination. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to create your first Facebook group in case you don't know how already. So without further ado, log into your Facebook account. And what you'll want to do is next to home, over here, click create. And you will want to create a group, not a page, a group. Now, the difference is that people can make posts and interact with each other directly with a group. With a page, only you and authorized administrators can make posts. So we want to create a community, a group where people will inevitably be able to interact with each other and you'll be able to grow your own fan base. So you'll want to name your group something related to your niche, your industry, your keyword. So for instance, if we were doing something for real estate, I'm going to say that my group is, let's say, real estate multiplex deals in Las Vegas. Haha. Now, if you want, you can add people that you want to collaborate with for the group. Now, really important here is the privacy setting. So you get two settings: public, which means anyone can see who's in the group and what they post, or private. And this is the setting where only members can see who's in the group and what they post. Likewise, as far as join settings, you'll want to have it be private so that it's somewhat more exclusive. You have a screening process. You can filter out real people from the riffraff and bots of Facebook and make sure that you're getting quality members joining your group. Now for visibility, what I like to do is have anyone be able to find the group. It'd be weird if only members can find the group. How can people join, right? So make sure you keep it visible. Now let's click on create. And now we have our group, just like that, believe it or not. So what I would like to do next here is actually not go through the little processes like creating a cover. I think that's not going to be relevant in this kind of program. We're covering marketing. So if you need to have a photo or a banner, either make it yourself on Canva, look for the required dimensions needed for a Facebook group banner, or have it outsourced on Fiverr. So these are the basics with having a group made. As you can see, everything is already made. What I like to do is, if I'm using a pen name or another page related to my industry, for instance, what I would do is I will go to members and I would actually add someone to be, well, ideally my page to be a member. So you want to invite them, and in time you can choose to kick yourself out and have your page be the admin of the group. You'll just have to have your page be set as the admin, and you can kick your real identity out if you want to conceal your identity for your group. So that's really the very basics of how to get your group created. As far as settings, there's just so much you could set that would take forever to be covered in this video. But just feel free to toggle around. Don't be afraid to experiment around before asking questions. So you'll just want to check everything available if you haven't already. And that's all you need to know with starting your Facebook group. More details to come in the next video.